Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Natalia Vargas. The company that I chose is iPolluter is a competitor. This company is affecting the pollution of the environment by the high emission of gases causing innumerable contamination to the environment, such as the melting of glaciers, floods, hurricanes, wildlife migration, desertification, among others. Taking as a priority the climate change of recent years, causing innumerable problems, such as time due to the high temperature, strongly affecting the animals that inhabit the glaciers, mainly the polar bear, which is seen in the deplorable condition with that food and with ends hopeless. In the same way that these types of problems exist, there have been migration of different species. Do you lack of food or because of their disastrous habitat? For my part, an environment of the people to contribute a grain of sand to benefit this environment problem, taking into account the following solution: how energy saving, make portable and use rainwater, recycling of resources, reduce the use of refrigerants, improve the quality and accessibility of public transport, encourage cycling, minimize food waste, reduce the use and burning of firewood and reforestation. Thank you.